Financial literacy for beginners. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that everyone should possess, yet many people find it intimidating. Understanding the basics of personal finance can empower you to make informed decisions about your money, helping you achieve financial stability and reach your long-term goals. Over the next few minutes, we will explore the fundamental concepts of financial literacy and provide practical tips for beginners to get started on their financial journey. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. It encompasses a range of topics such as saving, debt management, and retirement planning. Being financially literate means having the knowledge and confidence to make sound financial decisions. Why is financial literacy important? Financial literacy is important because it helps individuals make informed decisions about their money. Without financial literacy, people may struggle to manage their finances, leading to debt, poor credit scores, and financial stress. By understanding financial concepts, you can. Key concepts of financial literacy. To become financially literate, it's essential to understand several key concepts. Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for your money. It involves tracking your income and expenses to ensure you are living within your means. A budget helps you allocate funds for different purposes, such as bills, savings, and discretionary spending. By budgeting effectively, you can avoid overspending and ensure you have enough money for your financial goals. Saving. Saving is the act of setting aside money for future use. Having a savings plan is crucial for financial security. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or car repairs, and helps you avoid going into debt. Aim to save a portion of your income each month, even if it's a small amount. Over time, your savings will grow, providing you with financial stability and peace of mind. Debt management. Debt management involves understanding and managing your debts effectively. It's important to know the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, such as a mortgage or student loan, can help you achieve long-term goals and build wealth. Bad debt, such as credit card debt, can lead to financial stress and should be minimized. To manage debt effectively, focus on paying off high-interest debt first and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. Investing. Investing is the process of putting money into assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the expectation of generating a return. Investing is an essential component of building wealth over time. It's important to understand the different types of investments and their associated risks. Diversifying your investments can help mitigate risk and increase the potential for returns. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Retirement planning. Retirement planning involves setting aside funds for your future retirement. It's important to start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. Consider contributing to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, and take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Planning for retirement ensures you have the financial resources to maintain your desired lifestyle in your later years. Practical tips for improving financial literacy. Improving your financial literacy doesn't happen overnight. It requires continuous learning and practice. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. There are many resources available, including books, online courses, and financial blogs. Some popular books on personal finance include Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Online platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free courses on financial literacy. Additionally, financial blogs and podcasts can provide valuable insights and tips. Create a budget. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Use budgeting tools or apps to simplify the process. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more money towards savings and debt repayment. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Set financial goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and track your progress. Build an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. Having an emergency fund provides financial security and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans in times of need. Monitor your credit. Regularly monitor your credit report and score. Your credit score affects your ability to obtain loans and credit cards, as well as the interest rates you'll receive. Check your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization low to maintain a good credit score. Seek professional advice. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a personalized financial plan. A financial advisor can provide expert guidance on budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and ensure you are on track to achieve your goals. Conclusion: financial literacy is a vital skill that can significantly impact your financial well-being. By understanding and applying the fundamental concepts of personal finance, you can make informed decisions about your money and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, improving your financial literacy is a continuous journey. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and take proactive steps to enhance your financial future.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.